Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing how to use some of the special features of Outlook, including the snooze feature, the move to feature, and the send later feature. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing the snooze feature. So here I just have selected an email, and I'm going to come up to this little tab right here and click this icon, snooze. Now I want to have a reminder for about an hour before this meeting starts in the email, so I'm going to set it for later today, but you can also set it to whatever time you want in case you need a reminder that you got this email or that the event is happening. So I'm going to have it for later today. Now I want to move this email to my folder to have it organized in a little better way. So what I'm going to do here is click move to, and then I want it in my conversation history folder. You can also search in this text box right here for any folders that you have created just to get your emails a little more organized. So I'll move it to conversation history. Now the last thing I'm going to show you is how to send an email later. So when you are creating your email, you do everything you would normally do in an email. But when you press send, you're going to go to this little drop down arrow next to send and press schedule send. Now it allows you to customize whenever you want it sent. You can customize, or it has a regular time. So once you do that, it will schedule your send and send it whenever you see fit. Thank you.